Hey everyone, in this video we will understand what will be the future of programming in the era of AI. So programming is changing. AI is not replacing the programmer, it's becoming a powerful that change how you can connect AI tools in your programming. Meet your new AI teammate. Think of AI as a helpful assistant. It's handle the boring repetitive parts of coding so you can focus on creative and important work. So is the tag work smarter, not harder. AI helps you to write code faster, find mistakes, and easily build your software. It's a partner. Let's focus on big picture like designing great products, solving the problem. This teamwork between people and AI is the future of programming. It makes the job more about creative thinkings and less about typing. So you can understand the topic more about creative thinking and less about typing. So you have not to understand more about syntax to type and repetitive task in your projects. You just need to think more creative in your projects and implement it via your agentive AI or generative AI any you can use. So AI in action. How does AI teammate actually help? So let's understand. First, AI writes code. You can ask the AI to write a piece of code for you in plain English, and it can create whole section of your app, saving you lots of time by writing a repetitive task. Test code. AI can look at your code and automatically creates test to make sure it works correctly. This helps catch bugs before user finding them. Fix mistakes when something is wrong. The AI can look at the error message and your code stack finding and suggest the fixing of the problem. It's like having an expert look over your shoulders. So understand the point. Looks over your shoulder like stack overflow before working as a expert for programmer. Explain code. If you find a piece of code that you don't understand, you can ask the AI to explain it to you. It's great for learning. Skill for tomorrow's programmers. So, as AI handles more basic coding, new skills become more important. Here are the key tech skills in high demand for the future. So, this is the important section. What skill will be in future for programmer? AI prompting. Learning how to ask the right question to get the best codes and ideas. It's like giving clear instruction to your teammates. System design. Planning the big picture of how a whole software application fits together. This is creative task that AI can't do alone. AI integration, knowing how to interconnect AI tools and services into your projects to make them smarter and more powerful. Data skills, understanding data is key to guiding AI. This helps you train AI models and check they are working correctly or not. Critical and ethical thinking. Reviewing AI generated code to ensure it's safe, fair, and high quality. Human oversight is more important than ever. Product vision, focusing on what a user needs and turning an ideas into real projects. AI helps build it, but you provide the vision. The future is bright. Programming is not going away. It's becoming more creative, strategic, and exciting. By learning to work with AI, you will ready to build the amazing software for tomorrow.